Okay, as you are watching now, we are going to top of Ifisa mountain in order to repair our machine, our engine. This is our brother Misbah. He's the chief, the nice mechanic of Kornaba. He's motor mechanic. Actually, we are going to the top of that mountain. Now it took more than 1 hour. We came from Lelagadi village, and now in our way. So we'll show you one step by step when we are repairing the engine, inshallah. Yo, brother, Misbah. He's now repairing the main part. ما شاء الله.